Hi everyone, welcome to this video on how to set up your laptop for Python programming. The first step is to create a directory to store our Python projects. We can do this by typing the following command in the terminal window, mkdir Python projects. A terminal window is a special window that lets us interact with the computer using text commands. We'll be using it a lot for Python programming. The next step is to install Python using pip. Pip is a package manager for Python. We use it to install and manage Python packages. The next step is to create a virtual environment for Python. This is like a separate space for our Python projects. We can do this by typing the following command in the terminal window, cd Python projects. By this command we have entered to our project directory. Next type in the terminal, python venv. Now we need to activate the virtual environment. We can do this by typing the following command in the terminal window, source nv/bin/activate. It's activating the virtual environment. Now any packages we install using pip will only be available within this virtual environment. Finally, we need to install Visual Studio Code. This is a popular code editor for Python. We can do this by typing the following command in the terminal window, pip install vascode. Now we can open Visual Studio Code and start coding. Congratulations! You've now set up your laptop for Python programming. Now you're ready to start learning Python and building your own projects.